Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for us to see how we can grow a small trading account into something reasonable. Okay, we started something similar to that yesterday, which showed us how we can trade a $10 account into a $1,000 account. Okay, so this is very important. Just like we guys have known, even though it is always cool to start trading with a big capital, however, not every one of us will be having the big capital at the beginning. Okay, but we can always grow with the small capital and trade it gradually until we are able to achieve that big capital. This is very possible. Okay, and you guys can also do the same thing. Okay, so this is very important. So now these are some of the things that we'll be discussing in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out with on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out how we can grow a small trading account into a big trading account. Like I said, okay, first thing is to have the basic knowledge of the assets you want to trade. Once you have the basic knowledge, then the other thing is you being able to identify one or two things on the chart. One of those things are the trend of the market, which is very important. Okay, for instance, if you can't really identify the trend easily, this trading tool will help you to identify. You can see the gray dotted line. It shows that the market is on uptrend at this point. Okay, just make sure it is coming from the support zone, which is another thing you need to be able to identify on the chart. If it is coming from the support zone, then you should know that a buy order is a very good one to go with. Okay, you being able to identify where to go, when to get into the market is another important thing, and this is what the indicator will be telling you right now. You can see we got this green diamond right here, and of course it is telling us that this is the time for us to buy. That is why I had to put this buy order around here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so once you see this green diamond on an uptrend coming out from a support zone, then definitely it signifies a buy. And of course this is the buy, the only buy that we had around there. You can imagine if we had been in the market, okay, let's say we decide to place an order somewhere here after this buy order popped out, and of course you can see this is how we'll just be in the market till the end of the trend. Okay, so and all you just need to do is just to have a support, a stop loss at the last part of the support zone. Okay, in case the market change its direction. Okay, right from there it started picking up, and of course it got to this region, and from there, okay, it got to somewhere here. Okay, from there it got to somewhere here. Okay, with this stage, at this stage, you can always come up, bring up your stop loss and lock up about 30% of your profits. Okay, at this stage you lock up 30% of your profit by bringing up your stop loss. This is your stop loss in the middle right now. Okay, this actually came down after getting to this. It came down, but it didn't get to the stop loss, went back up and up again. So at this stage you should adjust your stop loss again. Okay, this is a gradual process, and of course this should lock up about 50% of your profit. Okay, and of course you can see this came down, went back up, and it was playing around there for a while, and of course until it got to this region. Okay, you can see it right here. Still adjust your stop loss to about 60% this time around. Okay, it came down a bit, and of course spiked up, came down, and of course spiked up again. So at this stage you still lock up more profit for yourself. Okay, this time around you should be closing on to the 7 20% of the profit, because the trend is about getting to a crucial page, okay, to the end of the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. It came down a bit and spiked up, and of course got to this region, came down a bit, spiked up. Okay, at this stage I expect you to be locking up about 80% of your profit. Okay, the reason for this is that the trend is about coming to an end, and you're only trying to see if it's going to give us more profit than what it had given us already. Okay, so you only risking 20% of your profit in order to see if you can still get more profit, and you can as well close your trade at that point. Okay, this actually got to this region, so you can also adjust your stop loss to still lock up 80% and leave 20% to play with. Okay, this actually pulled back from here and got to this region. Okay, and it even got here, but once immediately it got to this region, it will take you out of the market entirely. You can imagine the profit between your entry point, which is here, to here will have gone to your balance. And this is why I'm always giving you a good explanation on how you can manage your trading activities using this trading tool. You can see these trading tools have made it easy for us. I'm on 5-minute time frame. You can imagine you getting an uptrend signal from here, from a support zone, and of course you are getting a buy order from here, so it gives you an assurance that the market is most likely to buy at that particular point, and if it does not, it will come down and eat up your stop loss, and this will help us to reduce the amount of loss which we can which can occur around here. Okay, and of course in this situation it went in our favor. It didn't come down. Okay, it didn't pull back. Okay, so it's kept on going up, and all you just need to do is just for you to use your stop loss to trail it up till the very last part of the trend. The same thing is applicable for a downtrend. You can see we were able to buy till the end of the trend. Right now we are getting ready for a sell trend. Okay, so it started pulling around, okay, went back up, and of course gave us a sell signal around there. This is from a resistance zone also, so we can put our stop loss at the top right here, at the top, and have our sell order somewhere here. Okay, sell order somewhere here, and of course this actually went back up to put us in negative, almost getting to the stop loss, but didn't get to the stop loss and started coming down again. And right here we got another sell order, so that can give us another order around there to make it 2 orders. And of course this started coming down and coming down, so it broke out below this support zone and it got to this region, went back up again. Okay, put us in negative again, and of course came down. Okay, it came down. So when it came down, and of course at this stage we are assured that we are now in profit. Remember, we have 2 sets of orders placed already, one around there and another one around there. That is for those that are having, by the time you trade this, you would have been able to grow your capital to a level so you can place 2 orders at that point. This will help you to make more profit at this particular point. So all you just need to do is just to adjust your stop loss to the middle, to somewhere here. For the 2, you adjust your stop loss for the 2 to somewhere here, so that whatever happens you will still be in profit. Okay, so this kept on coming down, and of course you should also adjust your stop loss this time around, keeping 50% of the profit for the 2. Okay, so as it is coming down, you also adjust your stop loss this time around. You should be keeping about 60% of your profit. Okay, then of course it kept on coming down. Okay, so you can see this kept on going down and down and down, even broke out below the last support zone. Okay, you can see it kept on till it got to this region. Okay, so you can keep on milking the market like that if you are able to manage your trading activities like this. But first of all, you need a good trading tool like this. They can help you to analyze the market better and faster, okay, in order for you to be able to milk the market successfully without any hiccups. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.